Gicajama giki kirahanikire ndagika nini tu thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama gia PLP Martha KARUA gwikinyia thukuru-ini uyu wa Gatoto ari hamwe na amemba a bodi ya thukuru uyu. KARUA arekinyitie thukuru-ini uyu gukinyaniria watho wa igoti inene guku bururi-ini uria wakinyanirie urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu gucokio moko-ini ma bodi iria yamuritwo kiwatho. Ona kuhanora uguo igeria ria kuingira thukuru-ini uyu niriratungirio uregani munene riria gikundi kia muingi kirambiririe kunyugutira mahiga amemba a bodi ya thukuru uyu. Thiini wa ndumiriri yake KARUA niakumithitie giko giki akiorota afitha munene wa ceceni ya borithi ya MUKURU kwa REUBEN ni kwaga kuheana ugitiri thengia ya uria igoti riathanite.
We've not been able to go back to school simply because we've seen uncooperation between the security apparatus. The court ordered that police OCS MUKURU kwa REUBEN and OCPD Makadara to ensure that they restore the management as per the court orders that were issued on July 3rd. We are actually frustrated that there is no cooperation to ensure that there is the respect of the law.
The court ordered that the OCPD, in conjunction with the area OCS, to give us security to make sure that there is a smooth transfer. It also ordered that the DCC, Mbaka South Sub-County, as well to accompany the security apparatus to make sure there is a smooth transition. Upon arrival, it's very much unfortunate that the OCS was not in the office, so we could not assess him. Even the officer said that they are not very much aware where he is. So procedurally, went to the school and found some armed goons, which were we thought sent by somebody to come and distract the entry.
Oho akionania kwaga kuiganira na uria honge ngurani thirikari-ini ikoretwo ikiagarara na kwaga gutea watho wa igoti.
The way the court ordered the police, that is the OCS and the OCPD, to take us back. So today we were going back, but as usual we were faced with violence from the goons who were paid by the local MP, and they chased us away with stones and all that, and we could not enter the school.
Whatever we are doing it procedurally and in line with the law. That we are doing exactly as per what the court said. That we just went there to the school to effect the court orders. Simple. No, we have managed to record a statement, and they are saying that they will make some follow-up.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.